Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're analyzing what has to be the ultimate seasonal gamble.
Oh, for sure. The $20 Trader Joe's Beauty Advent Calendar.
For 2025, yeah. And the mission you laid out for us from our sources is clear. Is this extremely cheap 12-product calendar a genuine value, or is it just, holiday junk food for your skin?
It's such a good question because that price point it's almost unbelievable.
And the list of content is pretty diverse. You've got body butter, facial sunscreen, hand creams,
Lip balms, a bath fizzer, body mist, coffee scrub, and even a rice polymer cleanser. And they're all claimed to be paraben-free and sulfate-free.
So let's just look at the raw numbers first. $20.
For 12 separate items.
Which breaks down to, what, about $1.67 per product? That's just staggering.
It is. When you look at high-end calendars, they might cost you, say, $60, but they'll claim a $300 retail value inside.
Right, that 5-to-1 ratio.
Exactly. But Trader Joe's is just $20, full stop. No games.
But, okay, value only matters if the products actually work. How can a $1.67 item possibly compete with anything?
Well, this is the aha moment. Independent testers and a surprising number of Reddit users who say they work in the skincare industry are comparing these formulas to products that cost $70 to $100.
How is that even possible?
What's fascinating is the base quality is high. They seem to be cutting costs on things like marketing, not by using cheap fillers.
Oh, okay.
So that daily facial sunscreen, for example, it's repeatedly compared favorably to the high-end Supergoop formula.
Oh, wow.
Because the core ingredients, the UV blockers, the emollients, they're remarkably similar. You're paying for the formula, not for a glossy label.
Okay, so the quality's there.
Yeah.
But let's talk about the catches, because Trader Joe's is famous for its seasonal quirks. The main complexity seems to be product rotation.
Precisely. They aren't filling these with all brand new experiments. They use the calendar to dispense established favorites and test the waters.
So you see returning stars, like the Rose Glow Facial Oil from 2024.
And that really popular rice Polish cleansing powder from 2023. It's a way to guarantee quality, but yeah, if you bought last year's, you kind of know the drill.
And product rotation also means some disappointment. The beloved hair mask from prior years. It didn't make the 2025 cut.
No, it's gone. Though they did introduce a body mist for the first time, which is new.
This brings up a really important question, though. What's the user reality once you actually open the little cardboard door?
Right, because expectations can clash with execution, even with good ingredients. That mandarin basil hand cream, for instance, people report it being so thick you almost need a wrench to squeeze it out of the tube.
That's not ideal.
And the hazelnut body butter smells sweet, but testers noted it doesn't really smell like hazelnut. It's more of a general sweet smell.
And that rice Polish cleanser.
Yeah.
The one that's a dupe for the super expensive Tatcha version.
Yeah, that one. It's a very fine powder, but you have to be really careful with it. It's known to irritate the eyes if you're not careful during application.
So you accept a few flaws for that $20 price tag.
I think you have to. And this is where the financial strategy for Trader Joe's is it's genius.
How so?
They use this calendar as a massive foot traffic generator. You don't go in just for the calendar.
Right, you go in for that and you leave with $100 worth of groceries and wine.
Exactly. It builds intense brand loyalty, lets them clear out small batch beauty inventory, and test new formulas without a big, expensive launch.
It's basically a marketing expense for them that pays for itself. So the risk reward for you, the buyer, is incredible.
It really is.
I mean, $20 is the cost of 2 fancy coffees. If even half of the 12 products work for you, you've won.
And here's the crucial detail that makes it totally risk-free. Their return policy.
Ah, right.
Trader Joe's accepts returns on opened beauty products. So if that hand cream gives you a reaction, you just bring it back.
That's a game changer.
It really is. Think about it. For the $60 you might spend on one mediocre high-end calendar, you could buy 3 of the Trader Joe's ones. For gifting, for yourself, whatever.
So the final verdict is pretty clear. It's a legitimate skincare that works, delivered at grocery store prices without you needing to take out a second mortgage.
Yeah.
It makes you realize how much of the high-end beauty industry is just pure markup.
Absolutely.
So since Trader Joe's doesn't sell full-size versions of most of these calendar-exclusive items, here's a provocative thought for you to think about. What high-end beauty product are you using right now that might just be a seasonal item repackaged? And how much is that brand name actually costing you? We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.